Hello, I'm Jeff Blank, SolarWinds Sales Engineer, and this is a guided tour of SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor. NPM monitors, reports, and alerts on fault tolerance, availability, and performance metrics of multi-vendor network devices and servers by leveraging SNMP, ICMP, and WMI protocols. This information can be easily accessed through an intuitive UI and customizable web console. When you first install Network Performance Monitor, the built-in network discovery will dynamically discover switches, routers, firewalls, wireless access points, and servers. Prior to importing the discovered devices, you will be able to filter the results on criteria such as interface type, vendor info, or polling status. Discoveries can be scheduled to run once or on a regular basis. Network health and performance is viewed in a web interface that contains a number of out-of-the-box views and resources. The main view of the Network Performance Monitor is the summary page. The All Nodes resource will give you a list of all the nodes that you are currently monitoring, as well as their current status. You can expand any of the groupings for a complete list of devices and hover over for brief details. Nodes can be grouped by vendor, machine type, location, or by any custom properties as defined by the user. Devices that need attention will be identified by the red or yellow coloring of the objects. Network Atlas with Connect Now gives you the ability to create a customizable network map that visually displays your network and node status, as well as Layer 2 and Layer 3 link utilization. You can import custom image files allowing you to display your network environment in a wide range of views from the high-level global perspective down to the device level. Additionally, you can create wireless heat maps to visually display wireless coverage. NOC views can be generated to filter through multiple custom dashboards at desired intervals to highlight important data for the IT staff. You can drill into a node for a more granular look of a single device on the Node Details page. Each Node Details page will have the option to use a tabbing system to separate specific data however you wish. Statistics that will be built right out of the box will include gauges displaying average response time, packet loss, CPU, and memory. Additional resources provide hardware health stats including fan and power supply info, and a breakdown of the details with machine type, operating system, polling info, as well as availability statistics. On a Layer 3 device or router, you will be provided with a number of resources for monitoring and investigating route information. NPM monitors OSPF, RIP, BGP, and EIGRP routing protocols, route table details, and flapping routes. Multicast groups and applications can also be automatically detected and include customized resources highlighting metrics such as group membership, traffic, and utilization. Network Performance Monitor can calculate Layer 2 and Layer 3 topology and generate searchable resources. This is the same topology which works with Network Atlas to automatically build links between connected devices. The monitored interfaces of that node are also displayed and can be clicked on to drill into deeper detail. Clicking on an interface takes the user to an interface details page. From here, you can see the current receive and transmit utilization in the radial gauges on the left, and detailed information about the interface and its status can be found below the gauges. Some of this information includes interface type, bandwidth, and status. On the right side of the interface details, you'll find the interactive charts that are providing historical and trending information. Here we have the min-max average bits per second in and out, percent utilization, in and out errors and discards, total bytes transferred, and min-max average packets in and out. Network Performance Monitor provides dynamic charts that allow you to easily zero in on specific data in the chart, zoom to specific time ranges with a single click, or even eliminate unwanted data. Network Performance Monitor highlights the most pressing capacity problems across the entire environment, including interface utilization, disk usage, memory usage, and CPU load. By looking at trends of usage for each element, we can forecast if and when each will cross into the warning, critical, and capacity thresholds you set. The resource then sorts what it finds and shows you the most pressing problems. In the Forecasting Graph resource, we highlight specific capacity metrics. A trend line will identify when we will hit capacity thresholds. Network Performance Monitor includes a quality of experience dashboard that utilizes deep packet analysis to calculate application and network response time. With this feature, NPM can leverage agents placed on strategic points within the network or on a critical server to pull statistics such as total data volume and total number of transactions and automatically identify, categorize, classify, and visualize over 1,200 applications. These agents can easily be managed and deployed from the web console or downloaded to deploy locally. The Quality of Experience view will give you the ability to quickly determine if performance issues are the result of an application or issues within the network. NPM allows you to create groups and dependencies that enable you to more effectively manage your network. Groups give you the ability to logically organize monitored objects regardless of device type or location. These groups can be created manually or automatically detected based on the topology of your network. The use of dependencies will allow you to eliminate false positive alert triggers and provide more accurate insight into the state of your environment. On the top 10 page, you will find a wealth of resources which provide top-end reporting on various metrics across the network. This page makes it very easy to identify problematic nodes, overutilized interfaces, or interfaces with high amounts of errors or discards. All of the resources on the top 10 page can be modified or filtered to show specific objects or groups of objects. In addition to monitoring wired network devices, NPM monitors both thin and thick wireless access points from a number of major vendors, including Cisco, Aruba, Maru, HP, and Motorola, as well as providing a view of all the wireless clients that are currently connected to each access point. As mentioned earlier, Network Performance Monitor's Network Atlas provides the ability to create wireless heat maps so you can visually display your wireless infrastructure coverage. Out of the box, Network Performance Monitor includes hundreds of intelligent alerts that can be fully customized directly from the web console. Alerts can be generated based off user-defined thresholds and can include multiple condition checks, device dependencies, and alert suppression. Alerts can be delivered through more than 16 built-in methods and automatically escalated. Network Performance Monitor's Message Center provides a consolidated view of all syslogs, traps, and alerts that have been generated. Network Performance Monitor also ships with over 100 predefined reports that can be accessed from the reports page and exported or emailed on a scheduled basis. If one of those reports does not meet your needs, then you can easily create a custom report using the built-in report writer or import one of the many reports available on THWAC, SolarWinds online user community. This concludes our guided tour of SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor. For a more detailed demo or a free 30-day evaluation, please visit solarwinds.com or contact us directly at sales@solarwinds.com.